Now let's go to today's moral lesson, and we're going to learn the words first, Chinese characters. The four tones: flat, up, down and up, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1、2、3、4。
Thank you. That's good. Ta. This is a male sign. That's he. Now, if it's a female in Chinese, it's this. Also, it's ta, but it's a female.
Yeah.
And that's she. Okay. Now, if it is an animal, it's this one. It's also called a ta. And that's it. So ta, same sound, but 3 Chinese characters, and they're referring to a man and a woman, male and female, and an animal or thing. Okay. Ta. Zhi.
Zi.
It's almost like like this. Okay. 他之 means his, right? His. 他之 his. If say 他之, that means hers. Her, right? If the 他之 means it's. Okay. That 他之前. Qian. Front. In front of. Front. 前. 他在我前面. He is in front of me. 前. Chen. Chen basically means journey. Journey. Yeah. 前程 means upcoming journey. Also basically means future. Okay. 前程. This word, wei. Wei actually usually means for, you know. 为你 for you. 为我 for me, you know. But sometimes it also uses another sound called wei. When you say wei, actually means a passive state, like wei basically means like you know, be. Be, okay. And also, if it is wei do like a verb, it means do.
Yeah.
Do or be, okay? That's wei, okay. So here I think it's proper to do this one because it's not for, okay? So this is basically be or do, okay? Here, the proper way to say it is this. Now this word, I think I need some space here. This word, we already went through several times.
Shan.
This is the word called shan.
Shan.
Shan means good and kind and compassion. Okay, shan. All the good stuff. Shan, okay?
Shan.
Now this word, the sound is dao.
Dao.
Dao means guided. Guide, okay, guide.
Dao.
Yeah. Wei 善导 means be guided in a good way. In a good way. All right, so let's read.
他
之
之
前
前
程
为
善
导
他之前程为善导 His future is kindly guided by good, guided by compassion. Basically, it's heading towards the correct direction. His future is in good hands. In American way, is that when his future is in good hands, then what happened to me? That's the next part. Pause.